In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a lead magnet on GoHighLevel Funnel. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account. From the main dashboard, look at the left side navigation and open the Sites section. This is where your websites and funnels are managed, and it's the place to build a streamlined lead magnet flow. Inside Sites, click New Funnel. You'll see a few ways to begin. If you want total control over layout and structure, choose from blank to start fresh. If you'd like a head start with suggested sections and copy ideas, use Build with AI and then tailor what it creates. For the fastest setup, select from templates to browse pre-built, conversion-focused designs. Once you've picked your starting point, click Continue. You'll arrive in the template library. Take a moment to browse and preview options so you can see how the Hero section, opt-in form, and thank you step are arranged. A quick preview helps you choose a layout that needs minimal changes. To narrow things down, use the template search bar, type lead magnet. This filters the gallery to designs made for free offers like ebooks, checklists, or mini courses. Pick a template that matches your brand vibe and the kind of value you're offering, then click Choose to load it into your workspace. You're now in the page builder where you'll make your edits. Replace the placeholder headline with a clear promise of value, state what people get, and the outcome they can expect. Update the subheadline to remove friction, for example, by noting it's free and quick to access. Swap the placeholder image for your cover mockup and adjust colors and fonts to align with your brand. Make sure your primary call to action is direct and benefit oriented, such as get the guide or download now. Check the form element next. Keep fields minimal so conversion stays high. Name and email usually work best. Edit the button text to match your headline promise, and add a brief privacy note near the form to build trust. If the template includes a thank you page, customize the message to confirm the opt-in and explain how and when the lead magnet will arrive. In the editor, switch to mobile preview to confirm spacing, font sizes, and buttons look great on small screens. As you refine the copy, keep sentences short and focused on benefits. Save your changes frequently so nothing is lost. That's it, from dashboard to a polished lead magnet funnel inside GoHighLevel. Follow these steps, personalize the content, and you'll be ready to start capturing high-quality leads with confidence.